In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Shopify for print on demand. 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have Printify connected to your Shopify store and be ready to start designing products without holding any inventory. First, open your Shopify admin in your browser. This is the control center for your store. On the left-hand sidebar, click Apps. This is where you connect third-party tools that expand what your store can do. Next, select the Shopify App Store. That opens the marketplace of trusted integrations. In the search bar, type Printify. You're looking for the app called Printify Print on Demand. It's a popular choice because it connects you to multiple print providers around the world, which helps with pricing and shipping times. Open the app listing to review its description, ratings, and what data it needs to operate. Click Install. Shopify will show the permissions the app requires. Take a moment to review them, then confirm to continue. When the installation completes, click Open to launch Printify inside your Shopify admin. Now log into your Printify account. If you don't have one yet, you can create it here. Use a strong password and enable extra security where available. Once you're in, Printify will recognize your Shopify store connection so you can create products that sync back automatically. Inside Printify, go to My Products. Think of this as your product workspace where you'll manage designs and listings. Then click Start Designing. You'll choose a blank item like a t-shirt, hoodie, mug, or poster and pick a print provider. A quick tip, select a provider close to your main customers to reduce shipping time and costs and review their print method, size range, and production times. Upload your artwork and place it within the print area guides. Use high resolution files, ideally 300 dpi, and PNGs with transparent backgrounds for the cleanest results. Check the front, back, and any sleeve placements if available. Generate mockups so you can preview how your product will look in your store. Set your price by factoring in the base cost, shipping, transaction fees, and your desired margin. Many sellers aim for 30 to 50% to start. When you're happy, save your work. From here, you'll be able to publish the product to Shopify so it appears under products in your admin. Before you go live, double check your shipping rates and tax settings in Shopify and consider ordering a sample to verify print quality and sizing. After that, fulfillment is hands off. When a customer orders, Printify prints and ships, and you focus on marketing and customer support. That's it. Simple, fast, and scalable. Thanks for watching and happy selling.